Got a 2011 Toyota Corolla. I'm gonna show you guys a quick video. So when you're driving it and you hit like speed bumps, you hear some kind of rattle underneath here. It doesn't feel like it's suspension. Almost feels like it's coming underneath here. So I'm gonna show it to you right now. Don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, so it's rattling from this U-joint right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten this bolt up. This is a 12 millimeter. So we're just gonna tighten it up and see if it still rattles. Yep, that should fix the issue. Yeah, it's just very annoying when you're like driving and you hit like speed bumps. It's like very faint rattle, but it's annoying enough. So all you gotta do is tighten this up. Again, this is a 12 millimeter. And yep, I don't hear the rattle anymore. That's it. Guys, if this video helped you guys out, just give me a thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button. And again, thank you for watching.